Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 1.9% in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. The gold-dollar pair rose 1% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.3% during the session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair exploded 2.4% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Wall Street's main indexes soared, with the S&P 500 and the Dow hitting intraday record highs after the Federal Reserve kicked off its monetary easing cycle with a half percentage point reduction, and forecast more interest rate cuts were on the horizon. Crypto exchange Coinbase joined the wrapped Bitcoin race only a week ago on September the 12th, but accumulated nearly 2,000 tokens in circulating supply so far, potentially challenging the dominance of long-established players. The commodity-linked Canadian dollar strengthened to nearly a two-week high against its US counterpart, as the Federal Reserve's larger-than-usual interest rate cut improved the outlook for the global economy.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's BOJ interest rate decision will be released at 3 GMT. The UK's public sector net borrowing at 6 GMT, Germany's producer price index at 6 GMT. The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count will be released at 17 GMT. Japan's BOJ monetary policy statement at 3 GMT. The Eurozone's consumer confidence at 14 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.